2025 Mazda CX-30. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!